Airtable is a cloud-based platform that combines database, spreadsheet, automation, form, and interface creation. It uses AI to ease each step. It helps you rapidly create and scale apps. The desktop solution and the API let you integrate Airtable with your local custom code. Airtable can be used for different solutions. For example, in creating your digital products, defining product roadmaps, and assigning resources to reach the milestones. Or marketing to manage campaign creation and track and measure the results of the campaigns and brand building solutions across different platforms. Or project management to create task and Gantt charts and see the dependencies of the processes and find the critical path. Or custom relationship management and sales and manage your customers, sales pipelines, sales funnels, and customer reviews. Or for your finances and create straightforward finance dashboards to track expenses, manage budgets, and make valuable reporting. To get started with Airtable, you need to create an account. There are different plans. You can start with a free account. It has many features and is a good starting point for implementing your solutions. We will use the theme plan for our school classroom, as besides having more views like timeline and Gantt, we need to use the run script feature in the automation. With run script, we trigger webhooks on other platforms such as n8n.io or make.com. You can start with a free account and upgrade later. If you want to support our Skool community, you can use our affiliate link to create your Airtable account. After entering your information, depending on your choices during setup, you will create different tables in your first space in your first workspace. You can rename each of them later. When you click on your account, you will see that you can invite other team members to Airtable or install the mobile app to get Airtable credits. Here is the best place to connect your Google Drive to your Airtable account for easier data handling. Back to your dashboard, you can mark a base with a star to list it under the Home section. This process will help organize your bases and open them faster. A good place to start learning Airtable is to use some templates. There are some advanced templates which we will discuss later in our paid Teams account, as they use timeline and Gantt views. But for now, we can start with a simple template like OKR. OKR stands for Objectives and Key Results. Search for the term OKR and find some valuable books and articles about setting goals. OKR is how successful companies like Intel and Google manage their quarterly goals. So you can use this template to track your OKR and quarterly goals too. This template is simple and has a single view. We can go back and we can open a more sophisticated template like the expense tracker. This template uses multiple grid views and multiple forms. When you click on a form, you can design it and add or delete fields. When you click on Open Form, you will get a link to access the form online. You can have multiple forms to fill out a table in your base. Besides forms, you can have multiple views on a table. For example, a view filtered on the column categories, like here.